so smart, then tell me why you still so afraid. Where's the fire? What's the hurry about? You better cool it off before you burn it out. You got so much to do and only so many hours in a day. But you know that when the truth is told, that you can get what you want and you can just get all you're gonna kick out before you even get halfway through. When will you realize being away is for you? When will you realize being away